Very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome back in a series of lectures, Building Planning and Design. In last lecture, we have discussed about the building bylaws regarding height and provision of various things such as safety, security. Then after that, it's fire resistance. Okay. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss next point, that is significance of sun diagram. Okay, so here firstly we will discuss about the significance of sun diagram, that is nothing but the sun path diagram. And then after that we are going to discuss about the orientation. Then next point is there, that is space design uh, for passages and walls. Okay, we have to discuss, but firstly we are going to discuss about the significance of sun diagram. Okay, here you can see this is the north direction, this is the south, this is the east, and this is the west. If we are considering here, total 24 hours are there. Okay, so here generally in our uh, region or in India, at 6:30 or near about 6 to 7, sunrise is there, and about 6 to in between 6 to 7 sunset will be there. And whatever sunrise and sunset timing is there, it varies depending upon the natural conditions and which season is going on. Okay, कुठला कौन सा सीजन चल रहा है उसके अकॉर्डिंग सनराइज और सनसेट जो है वो होता रहता है, उसका टाइम जो है स्लाइटली चेंज होता रहता है. ओके, so basically, sun is rising from east side and sunset towards west side. Okay, and whatever path followed by the sun, okay, it may be different. हम लोग बोलते हैं कि सन जो है ड्यू टू द मोशन ऑफ अर्थ. ओके, जो भी अर्थ मूव होती है अपने खुद के around the central axis, as well as also it rotates around the sun. Okay, so due to that, uh, here uh, we know दक्षिणायन एंड उत्तरायण. ओके, आप लोगों ने कभी सुना होगा कि दक्षिणायन चल रहा है या उत्तरायण चल रहा है. मतलब जब उत्तरायण चलता है तो उस सन जो है वो नॉर्थ टुवर्ड्स नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन में झुक झुक के वो सनराइज टू सनसेट वो जो पाथ है वो कवर कर लेता है. और जब दक्षिणायन चलता है तो उस सन का जो पाथ है वो टुवर्ड्स साउथ डायरेक्शन रहता है. ओके, so generally we are considering uh, uh, Dakshinayan and Uttarayan. Okay, so whatever path followed by the sun is also a study of that is also important for building planning. Okay, so according to that we have to go for the planning of various types of building as well as the various units of a residential building. Generally, uh, we are placing whatever our dining or kitchen room is there towards east or southeast direction. That is nothing but the Agneya. Okay, here uh, उत्तर, दक्षिण, पूर्व, पश्चिम. Okay, उ ई, उ आ, द नई, पवा. उ means उत्तर, इकडं नॉर्थ ईस्ट, ईस्ट पूर्व, साऊथ ईस्ट आग्नेय. ओके, इकडं कुठली ईशान्य, नॉर्थ ईस्टला कुठली डायरेक्शन येते तर ईशान्य डायरेक्शन येते. ओके, उ ई पू आ द नै प वा. ओके, म्हणजेच काय, उत्तर, ईशान्य, पूर्व, आग्नेय, दक्षिण, द नै नैऋत्य, पश्चिम, वा वा म्हणजे काय इकडं, वायव्य. ओके. सो here, according to that, we have to place the different units towards the different direction for getting the natural benefit. Okay. uh, Generally we are placing our bedroom towards west or southwest direction, or we can say aspect. uh, so here we have to consider uh, path followed by the sun. Okay. uh, and uh, according to that, or whatever climatic conditions are there, according to that, we have to go for the planning of a building according to the पर्टिक्युलर झोन्स. ओके, ज्या झोनमध्ये आपलं बिल्डिंग येते किंवा ज्या रिजनमध्ये येते त्या रिजनमधलं क्लायमॅटिक कंडिशन्स वगैरे काय आहेत त्या गोष्टीचा विचार करून किंवा त्या डायरेक्ट तिथं पाथ फॉलोड बाय दी सन वगैरे जे काय आहे हे आपल्याला काय करायला लागणार आहे, एक्सप्लेन करो. ओके, हाँ हाँ, जो भी यहाँ पे डायरेक्शंस है वो आप सबको पता है. ओके, ये उत्तर है, दक्षिण, पूर्व, पश्चिम, उसके बाद में ये नॉर्थ ईस्ट मतलब ईशान्य है. ओके, ये साउथ ईस्ट मतलब आग्नेय रहता है, ये साउथ वेस्ट मतलब नैऋत्य रहता है, और नॉर्थ वेस्ट मतलब वायव्य रहता है. ओके. और जनरली क्या रहता है हमारे इधर, जो भी सनराइज का टाइम है वो 6 to 7 के बीच में रहता है, और सनसेट का टाइम जो भी है वो 6 to 7 के बीच में भी रहता है. वो स्लाइटली वैरी होता रहता है, क्योंकि ड्यू टू द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन और ड्यू टू द करंट सीजन. ओके, कौन सा सीजन चल रहा है उसके ऊपर भी वो डिपेंड करता है. तो थोड़ा सा स्लाइटली उसमें क्या वेरिएशन आ जाता है. और वट एवर path followed by the sun is by sometimes towards the north direction will be there, or sometimes towards the south direction will be there. Okay. जब भी वो सन जो है वो सन का झुकाव जो है वो नॉर्थ की तरफ भी रहता है और ठराविक टाइम के लिए, और उसके बाद में साउथ की तरफ भी रहता है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम दक्षिणायन और उत्तरायण बोल लेते हैं उसको. ओके. सो हियर according to the consideration of sun diagram, we have to go for the planning. Okay. Basically, sun is the source of heat and natural light, means whatever lighting we are getting, that lighting we are getting from the sun. Okay. And sun influence the physical and mental health of the people, maybe inside the building or outside the building. uh, means if too much sunrays are there, then headache and all those things will be there. Means if temperature will goes high, then whatever mental health is there of people, it will be disturbed. Okay. Also it will affect on the physical physical health of the people. Okay. So sunrays possess powerful bactericidal property, means whatever sunrays are there, uh, in that they have inherent property that will kill the bacteria and all these things. Okay. Then sunrays supplement ventilation by heating the air and causing convective currents. Here, due to the sunrays, means due to the variation in temperature. Okay. एयर सर्कुलेशन विल बी देयर. कहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा हीट होता है, कहाँ पे कोल्ड रहता है, तो जहाँ पे भी हीट जो भी हीट ज़्यादा हुआ है वहाँ उस साइड कोल्ड जाता है, और जहाँ पे भी कोल्ड है वहाँ हीट एयर जो है वो पास होता रहता है. तो उसकी वजह से क्या, एयर सर्कुलेशन और एयर चेंजेस विल बी देयर. ओके. मॉर्निंग सन इज क्वाइट प्लीजेंट टू वॉच, however sunrise becomes hotter and hotter with time. Okay. So whatever sunrise is there is from towards the east direction, and we are getting the pleasant, or we can say, uh, uh, we will get the pleasant environment, okay, at that time of sunrise, okay. And whatever sunrise are there, its intensity is also less, and if we try to see towards sun, then it will not affect that much on our eyes and all those things, because of its intensity is less, okay. Whenever it rises, okay, then uh, uh, intensity of the sun rays will increases, okay, continuously, and then after some time it will uh, slightly decreases. Uh, Generally, we are considering uh, the maximum intensity of sun rays at 2 p.m. ऑफ अ डे, ओके. जो काही दिवस आहे त्या दिवसाच्या 2 वाजता आपण काय कन्सिडर करतोय, तर जी काही जो भी सनराइज की इंटेंसिटी है वो बहुत ज़्यादा हम लोगों को कब मिलती है, एट 2 p.m. ओके. इन इवनिंग, दो in evening, even though the rays are again slanting, okay, the air being dry, heat heat rays which are no longer absorbed are intensely felt, okay. Here इन जो भी इवनिंग टाइम रहता है, इवनिंग टाइम पे जो भी सनराइज है वो थोड़ा सा तिरकस, ओके, डायरेक्शन में, जो भी जो भी डायरेक्शन में आते रहते हैं, उसकी वजह से थोड़ा बहुत ईयर जो है वो ड्राई रहता है, और उसकी वजह से भी थोड़ा सा रेज है वो थोड़ा सा हीट रहता है, हीट रेज रहते हैं थोड़े टाइम के लिए, ओके. सो उसकी इंटेंसिटी जो है वो हम लोगों को थोड़ा सा कम महसूस होती है एज कंपेयर टू द आफ्टरनून सेशन, ओके. The sun action causing heat is mostly direct by day, uh, indirect by night, okay. Whatever the sun action causing heat is mostly direct by day and indirect by night. The materials of construction like stone, brick and concrete uh, get heated in daytime and slowly radiate their heat at night, which is quite uncomfortable, particularly during summer in tropics, okay. So जो भी हम कंस्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल चूज करते हैं कंस्ट्रक्ट करने के लिए, कौन सा भी बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है, तो उसके लिए जो भी कंस्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल चूज करते हैं, उसके ऊपर भी वो डिपेंड रहता है कि हाइजेनिक कंडीशंस और कंडक्शन कन्वेक्शन ऑफ हीट, ओके. सो वो जो भी स्टोन रहेगा, ब्रिक रहेगा, वो कंक्रीट रहेगा, वो क्या कर लेते हैं दोपहर में, वो उसका टेम्परेचर जो है वो बढ़ जाता है, और स्लोली 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 वो रेडिएट होता रहता है, ओके. उसमें जो हीट है वो रेडिएट होती रहती है. सो ड्यू टू दैट, whatever inmates are there or whatever occupants are there, they will get quite uncomfortable in summer season, okay. So we have to provide the larger walls towards north and south direction, and shorter walls towards east and west direction, okay. जो भी ये प्रॉपर्टी है वो उसकी वजह से हम लोगों को क्या, generally we have to provide the larger walls towards north and south direction and shorter wall towards the east and west side, okay. You can see here, here this is the sunrise and here sunset will be there, okay. This is the path of the sun, okay. So we are considering here, this is the north direction here, it has shown this is the north direction, this is south, east and west, this is the east, south, west and north direction. So basically we have to provide the longer walls towards the north direction and south direction, and whatever shorter walls are there, generally we have to provide towards the east direction and west direction. If we are considering, or if we are going to plan a rectangular house or building. Okay, a rectangular house with long walls along east west, that is only that means only short walls facing east and west along with walls. Okay, a rectangular house with long walls along east west, that that is only shorter walls facing east and west get minimum solar radiation during summer, minimum heat loss during winter. Okay, so we have to provide the longer wall towards the north and south direction. Okay, I will check it. 1 minute, just I will check it. I think here should be north and south direction. Okay, a rectangular house with long walls along long wall along north and south. Okay, that means only short. One correction is there here. Instead of east west, just you have to consider here north south direction. Okay, that is only short walls facing east and west get minimum solar radiation during summer. Okay, so minimum heat loss during winter will be there. uh, Generally, we have to provide the sun breakers on sunny faces, particularly on the south, which receive heat from most part of the daytime. Okay, generally झुकाव जो रहता है वो सन का, ओके, टूवर्ड्स साउथ डायरेक्शन रहता है, तो उसकी वजह से जो भी सनराइज है वो टूवर्ड्स जो भी ये लॉन्गर वॉल है उस तरफ बहुत ज़्यादा रहते हैं। तो हम लोगों को जो भी साउथ डायरेक्शन में हम लोगों ने ओपनिंग प्रोवाइड किए रहते हैं, जो भी वो विंडो रहेगा और डोर रहेगा, वो आउटर साइड के वॉल को हम लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए, उसके ऊपर सन ब्रेकर्स वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड इट। सन ब्रेकर्स आर नथिंग बट दी छज्जा। ओके, or we can also provide the trees on that side। ओके, जो भी सनी साइड रहता है उस साइड में हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं, ट्री प्लांटेशन वगैरह वो कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, that is nothing with the significance of sun diagram। So basically from this what you learn, so sun is the main source of light। Okay, and uh, according to the season, it varies sunrise time and sunset time, sun rising from east direction and sunset towards west, and uh, whatever whole year is there, during that year, in a year, sometimes the path traced by the sun with towards south direction, as well as in remaining parts it will be towards north direction। Okay, but whatever intensity of rays are there, maximum intensity of the sun rays you will found at 2 p.m. Okay, at afternoon session, and generally we have to provide the bedrooms and all those things towards the south or southwest direction, and whatever longer walls are there, those longer walls also we have to provide towards the north direction as well as south direction, and towards south direction whatever openings we are going to provide it, we have to provide the sun breakers, or we can say chhajjas, we have to provide towards the south direction or sometimes we can go for the provision of veranda also, because of to minimize the intensity of sunrise. Okay, directly enter into the bedrooms and all those things. Okay. Okay. So uh, and uh, basically we have to go for the rectangular houses instead of square one. And if we go for the square houses, then whatever things are there now we discussed. Okay. So then in that case we will get the less benefit. Okay. So preferably we have to go for the rectangular houses instead of square houses. Okay. Then whatever orientation is there, on that orientation different parameters will affect. In that one of the parameter is there, that is nothing but the sun. And then second one is wind. Okay. And the third one is the humidity. Okay. Here now we are going to discuss about the wind. Okay. Here uh, wind is nothing but we can say movement of air. Okay, is nothing but the wind. A breeze can be defined as any movement of air, usually restricted to natural horizontal movement with modest velocity. Okay, modest म्हणजे काय संत गतीने. Okay. uh, Here whatever warm air should be expelled and fresh air should be induced into the all rooms. Whatever wind is there. Okay. uh, its temperature will get varies due to the uh, climatic conditions or according to the seasons. So whatever warm air is there, that should be expelled, and fresh air we have to introduce into the all rooms, okay, of a building. Generally in a particular bedroom we have to provide more uh, air circulation, because of a common person, or whenever an average person spend 40% to 50% of his life either sleeping or relaxing into the bedroom. So that bedroom should be good ventilated. Okay, means in that room number of air changes are required for getting hygienic life and healthy environment. Okay. So whatever kitchen is there, kitchen which is hotter than any other residential room, because of we are preparing the meal into the kitchen. And generally that kitchen we are going to provide towards east direction or northeast direction as per the principles of planning. But whatever vastu shastra is there, according to the vastu shastra we have to place kitchen towards the साउथ ईस्ट डायरेक्शन, मीन्स जो भी आग्नेय डायरेक्शन है वो उस साइड पे हम लोगों को किचन जो है वो प्रोवाइड करना है. ओके. Kitchen which is hotter than any other residential room, and here at most coolness is desired. So should be to uh, we have to place towards ईस्ट डायरेक्शन. जो भी हम किचन किचन का मेन फंक्शन क्या है और वहाँ क्या कौन सा फंक्शन जो है वो परफॉर्म करते हैं, तो किचन में हम मील वगैरह प्रिपेयर करते हैं, तो उसकी वजह से वहाँ का हीट जो है वो बढ़ता है बहुत ज़्यादा
हॅलो
रहता है सुबह में.
पप्पा, आप्पांनी तुमच्या आधी घेतलं होतं, तुमच्या नंतरच घेतलं ना त्याला वॅक्सिन.
ओके. सो जो भी रिमेनिंग टाइम है डे का, तो वो रिमेनिंग टाइम में रिमेनिंग टाइम ऑफ डे दैट किचन शुड बी कूल. सो वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड इट टूवर्ड्स ईस्ट डायरेक्शन. और जो भी जर्म्स और बैक्टीरिया रहते हैं, तो वो जब सनराइज होता है तो उसकी जो रेज है उसकी वजह से वो डायरेक्ट एंट्री होने से वो बैक्टीरिया वगैरह वो जो है वो किल कर देते हैं. sunrise. Okay, so that is also one of the beneficial thing. So we have to provide kitchen towards east direction. Okay, place the bedrooms in the direction of a prevailing wind direction and provide open veranda to protect them from the heat of the afternoon sun. Okay. Generally, bedrooms we are going to provide towards a south or southwest aspect. So we will get the breeze in summer season from southwest direction, and in a winter season we have to avoid the direct entry of cool air from the northeast direction. Okay, but towards the due to the placing of bedroom towards the south or southwest direction, from that direction in high intensity sunrays will be there. So to minimize the intensity of those sunrays, or to avoid the direct entry of those sunrays into the bedroom, either we have to go for the provision of sun breakers, that is nothing but the chajjas, or either we have to provide the we have to go for the tree plantation, growing trees, or sometimes we can go for the provision of open verandas also. Okay, from those sunrays. Okay, so we have to keep in mind uh, at the time of planning about wind also. Okay, then next thing is there, that is nothing but the humidity. Okay, and basically uh, in a summer season more humidity, as well as in a rainy season more humidity is there. Okay, as compared to the winter season. Whatever rainfall is there or whatever precipitation is there, we can't analyze properly the direction of precipitation and all these things, or rainfall, direction of the rainfall हम लोग वैसे डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते कि रेनफॉल कौन से डायरेक्शन से आता है आएगा. ओके ओके, सो whatever rainwater is there, that rainwater should not be directly enter into the house. For that also we have to provide the sunsets and all these things. Okay, or sun breakers, and to avoid the creeping of water into the room. Okay, from the surface of the chajjas and sunbreakers. To avoid that, we have to provide the groove. Okay, by keeping some distance at outer projection of the chajjas or sunbreakers, we have to provide the groove of 10 mm diameter. Okay, so we will be able to avoid the creeping of water. Okay, along the surface of that lower surface of that chajja or sunbreaker. So these are the factors affecting on orientation. Then next thing we are going to discuss, that is nothing but the orientation of a building for various part of India on basis of climatic conditions. Okay, here orient means east. Okay, the direction along which the sun rises. Occident means west. Okay, and orientation is the process of fixing the other directions with reference to the direction of sun, rising sun. The chief aim of orientation of a building is to provide physically and psychologically comfortable living inside the building by creating conditions which suitable and successful ward of the undesirable effect of weather, but the present favorable ones, ventilation and illumination in a particular. Okay, here whatever orientation is there, in that we have to fix the other direction by consideration of the, or with the reference to the sunrise direction. Okay, and we know that the sunrise sun rising from towards east direction. So with that, with the reference of that, we have to go for the uh, fix the direction, remaining directions. Okay. Orientation is defined as a method of setting or fixing the sun directions of the plan of the building in such a way that it derives maximum benefit from the elements of nature such as sun, wind, and rain. So, whatever natural gifts are there, to getting the maximum benefit of those natural gifts, we have to fix uh, the directions, okay, of a building, and those directions we have to fix with the consideration or with the reference of the sunrise. Okay, proper orientation means to utilize the natural gifts in achieving functional comfort inside the building थ्रू द प्लान्ड एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द बिल्डिंग यूनिट्स. ओके, जो भी हम लोग बिल्डिंग का प्लानिंग करते हैं, और वो बिल्डिंग का प्लानिंग जो रहता है, वो बिल्डिंग में जो भी इनमेट्स है, जो भी ऑक्यूपेंट्स है, जो भी यूज़र्स है, उन लोगों को फिजिकली और साइकोलॉजिकली कंफर्टेबल फील होना चाहिए. ओके, वो कब हो जाता है फिजिकली और फिजिकली और साइकोलॉजिकली कंफर्टेबल कब फील हो जाता है, जब वट एवर एनवायरमेंट इज देयर, एनवायरमेंट इज रिच मीन्स इन दैट room or in that building or in various units of the building, if getting proper lighting, proper ventilation, or proper air changes, okay, then they will get feel physically and psychologically comfortable. So to getting it, or whatever natural gifts are there, to achieving it, we have to provide particular room towards a particular aspect, towards the particular direction, because of to receiving or to getting or to achieving the natural things or natural gifts. Okay, so uh, already I told you factors affecting orientation, in that one factor is sun, second one is the wind, and third one is the humidity, that is the rainfall and all those things. Okay, so here solar heat gain, for which it is essential to know sun path throughout the year and its relative position with respect to locality. Okay, whatever sun is there, this is the most important factor is there. It will affect on the orientation. Then it's a path traced by the sun during different seasons. Okay, that is one of the important thing. Second one is the prevalent wind, that is the direction of wind in summer when it is required, and in winter when it is to be avoided. Okay, so direction of wind is also one of the most important part, and you know that cool breeze is blowing from southwest direction in summer season, and whatever cooled air is there, which is blowing from northeast direction during the winter. And basically we have to avoid the direct entry of that cooled air into the winter season into bedroom. So basically we are going to provide bedroom towards the southwest or south aspect. Okay, rainfall, that is the direction and intensity of rain. Okay, this will also affect on the orientation. Means our site comes in which locality or in which region, what are the climatic conditions, on that also orientation is affecting. After 1 minute you have to rejoin the session. Okay, then site conditions, that is location of the site.